Are you truly broke or just thinking like everyone else? Have you ever felt like you're constantly chasing financial stability, yet never quite catching it? What if the issue isn't your income? Did you know that despite the global economy growing by leaps and bounds, personal debt has reached an all-time high? In this video, I'll reveal how to break free from this cycle. Imagine living without the stress of debt, enjoying financial freedom, and building real wealth for your future. This video isn't just about theory. It's about tangible results that can change your life. Stick around till the end to discover actionable steps that will transform your financial outlook. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Let's get started. Number 1. The illusion of wealth. We live in a society where perception has become more important than possession. As Morgan Housel brilliantly puts it in The Psychology of Money, wealth is what you don't see. But people keep chasing visible signs of success: designer clothes, big houses, expensive dinners, while their savings account sits near zero. Most people look rich, but they're just wearing debt. That fancy $70,000 car, leased. The $1,200 iPhone, on a payment plan. The luxurious $3,500 vacation to Cancun, slapped on a credit card they're still paying interest on. This illusion keeps you broke, trapped in a cycle of debt, stress, and financial stagnation. Start by tracking every dollar, cancel the financial noise, and invest in silence. Ask yourself this: would I still buy this if no one could see it? If not, skip it. You can either look rich now or be rich forever, but not both. Don't fall for the illusion. Shift your mindset from showcasing wealth to building it. Strip away the need to impress and build a future that impresses you. Number 2, you fear investing. Most people don't fear investing. They fear not knowing what they're doing. They've been told the stock market is risky, so they sit on their cash, letting inflation quietly steal their wealth. Here's the irony: doing nothing is the biggest risk of all. While you're hoarding your savings in a bank earning 0.5% interest, inflation at 3% is eating away your money every year. Over 10 years, $10,000 sitting idle turns into just $7,400 in real value. That's not safety. That's slow suicide for your finances. Like Tony Robbins says in Money, master the game. The secret to wealth is simple. Find a way to do more for others than anyone else does. Become more valuable. Do more. Give more. Be more. Serve more. That's exactly what investing does. It helps your money work harder than you can. Let me ask you, have you ever said, "I'll start investing when I know more"? That's like saying, "I'll start working out once I'm already fit." It doesn't work that way. Instead of waiting, start learning by doing. Start with $50 a month into a low-cost S&P 500 ETF. Investing isn't risky. Ignorance is. You're already investing, either in your future or your fear. Choose wisely. Number 3, your wallet has a leak and you're pretending it doesn't exist. Let me give it to you straight. You're not financially broke. Your money is just escaping through tiny holes you never bothered to plug. According to Mint, the average American can't account for nearly $1,500 in spending each month. That's $18,000 a year disappearing without a trace. The real tragedy? Most people never realize it. They just blame low income, rising prices, or bad luck, but never once open their banking app to see where the money's actually going. It's not income that makes people rich. It's awareness. Want to change your financial life? Use apps or spending tracker, or just start with a Google sheet. Ask yourself daily, where did my last $100 go? If you don't know, that's exactly the problem. What you don't track, you can't transform. Your money is sending signals every day. Start listening or keep leaking. Number 4, you're not earning more. You're just spending faster. You got a raise. Congrats. But wait, why are you still broke? That, my friend, is the silent monster called lifestyle inflation, and it eats wealth for breakfast. Let me tell you about Eric, a 28-year-old software engineer from Chicago. When he got his first six-figure job, he almost fell into the trap, looking at Teslas, leasing an apartment in downtown, and partying every weekend. But he paused and asked himself, do I want to look rich now or be rich forever? Instead of spending, he capped his lifestyle, invested 50% of his raise into ETFs and mutual funds. Fast forward 5 years, he owns a $70,000 plus investment portfolio, lives below his means, and is working toward early retirement at 40. The difference? Mindset. If your expenses rise every time your income does, you're just treadmilling through life. So the next time your paycheck grows, pause, not to spend more, but to save smarter. Number 5, you're not out of money. You're trapped in a poor man's mindset. People stay broke not because they lack money, but because they believe money is limited. This is the scarcity mindset, a mental prison that whispers, "There's never enough. I can't afford that," or worse, "Rich people are just lucky." This thinking kills ambition. It makes people hoard cash, fear risk, avoid investing, and reject opportunities that could change their lives. And guess what? Science backs this. In a study from Princeton University, researchers found that people under financial stress lose 13 IQ points, equivalent to losing a night's sleep, because scarcity literally narrows the brain's ability to plan and think long-term. That's the high cost of a low mindset. Money doesn't start in your wallet, it starts in your mind. Kill the scarcity virus, or it will silently kill your dreams. Number 6. How not knowing money rules is keeping you poor. Take Jenna, a 29-year-old nurse who never learned about investing growing up. She kept her savings in a checking account, earning less than 1% interest while watching prices rise around her. After a friend recommended for financial education, she started educating herself, learning to budget, invest, and plan. Now, she invests $300 a month in low-cost index funds, and in 10 years, that could grow to over $60,000 thanks to compound interest. Lack of financial education is the silent killer of wealth. Most people graduate from school knowing algebra and history, but clueless about how money really works. Many people can't pass a basic financial literacy test, meaning they don't understand interest rates, inflation, or investing. This gap leads to costly mistakes like piling up high-interest credit card debt, falling for get-rich-quick schemes, or failing to save for retirement. Money isn't magic, it's a skill. Master the game or keep playing and losing. Your future self will thank you for learning today. Number 7. The income plateau. Here's a truth that many don't talk about. Most people hit an income plateau, and that's why they feel stuck financially. You work hard, get raises, maybe even switch jobs, but after a point, your paycheck just doesn't grow like before. Laura, a marketing manager who worked 7 years at her company. She saw her salary rise slowly from $55K to $65K, but always felt behind because her lifestyle kept expanding. Instead of waiting for the company to boost her income, she started building skills in digital marketing and freelanced on the side, adding an extra $1,000 monthly. In 2 years, she doubled her income and paid off $15,000 in credit card debt. Don't wait for your job to pay more. Create multiple streams and keep growing your income on your terms. Your paycheck has limits, but your income potential doesn't. Break the plateau by investing in yourself and building new streams. Let me be brutally honest with you. Your financial struggles aren't because you lack money or luck. They stem from thinking the same way everyone else does. Wealth doesn't come from just earning more. It comes from thinking differently and acting intentionally. And the truth is, your financial breakthrough is already inside you. You just need to unlock it. If this message hit home, don't let it stop here. Subscribe to the channel where we challenge the norms, uncover hidden truths, and empower you to build lasting wealth with confidence. Like and share this video to your loved ones. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.